Have you ever heard of the Harmattan? It's this dry, dusty wind that blows from the Sahara Desert over West Africa every year. It can be a real nuisance, but what if I told you it could also be the backdrop for a beautiful love story? This isn't your typical romance movie. This is the story of Kofi and Amara. Kofi is a dedicated meteorologist in Ghana, known for his almost poetic way of describing weather patterns. Hundreds of miles away, in Burkina Faso, is Amara, a brilliant and data-driven scientist who trusts numbers more than anything. They both lead their respective national weather centers, and their paths had never crossed until now. This year, the data is showing something unprecedented. All signs point to the strongest, most intense Harmattan season in decades. The potential for disruption is massive, from agriculture to air travel. Recognizing the cross-border nature of this threat, their agencies decide to form a special joint task force. And who do they put in charge? You guessed it, Kofi and Amara. At first, it's a clash of styles. Kofi talks about the winds, whispers, and moods, while Amara insists on sticking to satellite imagery and atmospheric pressure charts. Their video calls are filled with professional debates. Him describing the texture of the dust in the air, her correcting his models with hard data. But slowly, something shifts. Through late-night calls and shared screens filled with complex weather maps, they start to see beyond their professional differences. Kofi is charmed by Amara's sharp intellect and the passion that hides behind her serious exterior. Amara finds herself captivated by Kofi's warmth and his unique ability to find beauty even in a destructive weather phenomenon. They start sharing more than just data stories about their families, their dreams, and the landscapes they love. The approaching storm becomes the very thing that brings them together, their collaboration turning into a deep, personal connection. As the Harmattan finally sweeps across the region, stronger than ever, Kofi and Amara are no longer just colleagues. They've fallen in love, their bond forged in the face of a shared challenge. They've successfully predicted the storm's path, helping their countries prepare, but more importantly, they've discovered a love as powerful and unexpected as the wind itself. Once the dust settles, they finally agree to meet in person, not as colleagues, but to start a new chapter.